The world is burning, and I'm playing Roblox. As you can see, my priorities are not straight. Like you! Hold on, gotta check that off. The Norinco 213. Now I would say I'm beating a dead horse, but really, I'm playing the xylophone on a pile of bones. I was thinking, what could I possibly do to improve this piece of shit? And I thought, oh, well, I mean, it already has the white pearly grips and the pinky rest. What more could I possibly do? And it wasn't until I was playing my favorite game, Roblox, yo, shout out to Deadline, and I saw it in the custom loadout features, and there it was, the Compensator. And I thought, no fucking way. And so I quickly scurried over to Bing, and I searched up Soviet TT33 Norinco 213 Compensator, and I found it. And it says that it doesn't work for the Norinco 213. Fuck! It's okay. It's okay. Because you know what we do here on this channel? We break barriers. Like how I break your mom's walls.
More news in just a second, kids. Just a second, before you play it, Jiver. Before you make the thing, I want to tell you that this song is one of my favorite songs, along with some of the other music we're going to be hearing today. I chose it particularly because it has a strong meaning.
This video was brought to you by Life Alert. Yeah, I'm never alone. I've fallen and I can't get up. Can't get up.
All right, so we got the Norinco. Wait, no, the sun's fucking on that side. All right, so we got the Norinco 213 with a compensator that specifically said does not work, but let's go ahead and find out if it does. Yeah, okay, here we go. So far. Still good. Yeah, still good.
Put my music together. Put my music together and book in the studio.
As it goes for it not working with the pistol, I believe it does. It does work with the pistol. Feels great. It was very smooth. I was able to get back on target fairly quick. So I rate this compensator a 9 out of 11.
9/11, you remember what happened?
Yeah, got him. Let's go.
But 9/11 was a national tragedy.
Yes, it was.
Well, that concludes today's video on the compensator. I just want to let all of you know that I hope you get stabbed in a home invasion and you're laying there on the floor writhing in pain as you're watching your family get fucking slaughtered, and I'm putting you in a diaper and I'm breastfeeding you and you're my baby. I'm gonna breastfeed you, you're my baby.
But if you're looking for something new, I know somebody that you could choose. What about me?